Today we will discuss about how to get the equation of a straight line from some given information. And in the same topic itself, there are mainly 4 different type of questions. The first one is the 2-point form. The second one, the point slope form. Third one, the slope-intercept form. And the fourth one is the intercept form itself. And in a way, they are all of the same type, but some given information is a little bit of different. So what we are going to do is that we will first consider a single question, and from that single question itself, we will see how they can ask the same question in 4 different ways, and we will solve it by the 4 different methods as well. So we will get into this. Let's say I'm having the coordinate 2, 0 and other coordinate as 0, -2. Okay, and these are the given points and they are asking us to find the equation of a straight line. The first thing, we will just draw this line. So 2, 0 and the x value is 2 and 0, that means the point is going to be here, and next one is 0, -2, so it's going to be here. Now I just have to join them to form the line. Now the general equation to find out the equation of a straight line is nothing but y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Here the x and y are nothing but the points on my line itself, and m is my slope, and x1 and y1 are nothing but one of the point inside the line itself. Now there are different equations to form a straight line, but I suggest that you only study this one. Okay, we can derive all the equation from this single equation itself. Okay, now let's find out the equation of this line. And y and x, I don't have to do anything about it. That is a general term. I don't have to do anything about it. Now y1 and x1 are nothing but a point in this line, and I'm already having 2 points in the line, 2, 0 and 0, -2. I can choose either of them or any one of them. It doesn't matter. I can choose 2, 0 or 0, -2. Doesn't going to affect my final equation. Now what is m? M is my slope. I have to find the slope first. And on the previous video, we have seen how to find out the slope of a line. That is m equal to how much? M equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. If you didn't see the previous video, go and see this video. There is a little bit more information to this equation. That is equal to y2 is, let's say I am taking the first coordinate as x1 y1 and x2 y2. So y2 will be -2 minus y1 is 0 divided by x2 is 0 minus x1 is 2. That will give me -2 by -2 equal to +1 as my slope there. Now I got the slope. Now we have to apply the slope into my equation, and that will be y minus y1 and x1. I can choose either 2 or 0 or 0, -2. Let's say we are choosing the first coordinate itself, 2, 0. So y minus y value is 0 there, 0 equal to m is 1 here, so 1 times x minus x1. X minus x1 is 2. That will give me y equal to 1 times x minus 2 is x minus 2 itself. So it's going to be x minus 2, and that will be the equation of my straight line. Now for the same question itself, they can ask in a different method. Here we are having 2 points here. Maybe on the next question, they won't be giving 2 points. They may be giving the slope and one of the coordinate, or they will be giving the 2 intercepts, and then they will be asking to find out the equation of a straight line. So for the same question itself, let's see in how many ways they can ask this equation of a line. And this method is nothing but the 2-point form, because I'm having the 2 points in the line. So this method is 2-point form. Now the next type of question they can ask is that they can give a slope and one of the coordinate, and they will be asking to find out the equation of a straight line, and that method is nothing but called as the point slope form. That is called point slope form. Okay, so in this one, the slope will already be given, so we don't have to find the slope there. And one of the point will be given. So we just have to apply that on the same equation. I'm having the slope m, and the coordinate you can take it as x1 and y1. Same equation you are going to get. Now on the next type, they will give the slope of an equation and then one of the intercepts. Now they will be given the intercept as like, let's say 2. So I'm having the slope, fine, but I'm having only one of the point, or I'm not having x and y coordinate, I'm only having one point there, the x-intercept. You have to keep a small idea in your mind. An intercept is nothing but a point where the line is cutting either x or y axis. If they are saying the x-intercept as, let's say 2, that means the line is cutting the x-axis. If the line is cutting the x-axis, at that point the y value will be 0 there. At the same way, if the line is cutting the y-axis, then the x coordinate will be 0. And let's say for the same question, they're saying that the slope is 1, and they're saying that the y-intercept is -2. They're saying the y -2. That means my coordinate will be what? It's going to be 0, -2. Now I got the point and I got the slope. Same equation, nothing else. And that is nothing but my slope intercept form. Now in the next question, they can give you 2 intercepts and then they will ask to find out the equation of a line. Now if the intercepts are given, I can find out 2 coordinates, because I know that if it is x-intercept, the y coordinate will be 0. If it is y-intercept, the x coordinate will be 0. So then I will be having 2 coordinates itself, right? If I'm having 2 coordinates, what happens? I just have to find the slope first and then apply the same equation. And that method is nothing but the intercept form. That is the intercept form. And the intercept form is written by x by a plus y by b equal to 1. This is how the intercept form is written, and here the a is nothing but my x-intercept and b is nothing but my y-intercept. So on this video, the most important equation is nothing but this equation. And if I know this equation, then I can derive any formula and I can derive the equation of a straight line itself. And I hope the idea is clear, and if you're having any doubt, please comment in below. See you next class. Take care. Bye.